All right, bat the eyelashes open. Took everything in my power to not start singing What's Up by Four Non-Blondes there. Okay, so we're gonna take the feet super wide here. We're almost done. Great work, everyone. I'd like to invite you to deepen your breath. Longer, fuller inhales, longer, fuller exhales. So we literally change the chemical makeup of the body when we remember to breathe in a strong, powerful way on the yoga mat. And off the yoga mat. Turn the two big toes in. Hands may be still at the heart here. So you're gonna inhale, find length, and just feel the power as you press into the outer edges of the feet, and we kind of draw energy up from the arches. And we're playing still with this lift up through the front and then this grounding in the back. Business in the front, party in the back. So we're not just dumping into our feet. There's lots of energy, and you can kind of feel a little empowerment. I mean, take what you can get, right? As you tone the quads and lift up, it's very much of a power pose here. So we'll swim the fingertips around when you're ready, interlace behind the tail. If you can bring the palms together, awesome. That's what we're working towards because we want to create more spaciousness, of course. But if we're not there yet, you can just keep the wrists nice and square. Inhale, lift your heart. Think upward current of energy through the front, grounding through the back. The knuckles draw down and away here. You get a nice stretch through the neck, through the chest, the pecs. And then just like we did in tabletop position, try to keep the navel drawing in and up here. We call this Udine Bandha, this navel lock to support the lower back body as we slowly begin to take